Swadika, hello everyone. I'm Oath, Thai in the United States.
First of all, I am very appreciated everybody who stopped and watching my video and listening to me. I would like to show you my sewing skill in this video. I am replacing zip on the two bags. My husband got this bag not long and he feel he is too full, and when he save it the zip is broken, and then he said, can you fix this for me? And when I look at first, no, because the bag two size inserted the heavy wire. I could say that because I thought I could, because it is bigger than the wire. I know, like very thin wire, but this is thick and strong. Okay, then I call that strong wire. Then I thought about how I gonna sew. I can't put this to my sewing machine. Then I need to sew by hand. And the second item that I had no idea how I'm gonna find it was the zip, because it is look like one zip. They don't cut both ends, just only one end cut, and then the zip go all around. I looked online at first. I can't find any. I couldn't find any, and then I told my husband, you need to help me find the zip, and he just threw it on the floor and said, I'm gonna take the bag to the store. I don't remember what the word that he said about the person who fixing alteration or sewing something. And then I check on eBay again about the zip, and I still could not see anything. Then I search how to replace the zip on two bags, and tada, I found an article. I thought there are people that struggling as same as me to know how to fix and to replacing the zip, I mean. And then I decided to follow that. The article said just purchase the zipper that longer than the bag and cut the end, another end. But I didn't do that. At first I check on my stock if I have long zipper that long enough for this bag. Unlucky, I only have shorter. And then I thought about the zipper that can remove the end and put back in, same like winter jacket. Then I go on eBay and search and found the cost is cheap. It's like $70.99. That excluded shipping costs. Okay, then I got two of them longer than the bag, and now I'm here. I think along the time when I take all out, at first I thought I can use the old zip you see in the video, right? I try, but the zip keep broken because the zip is not strong enough for heavy tool in this bag. Then I decided to replacing what I have, and I had no idea how I gonna make it work with that strong heavy wire. And ta-da-da! I did it. I am very proud of myself. I did it. Thank you for stopping by, watching my video, and listen to me. This is the way I'm practicing my English, telling story. Whatever story that happened to my life, happened to me in my life, I gonna tell you. Have a great day. Bye.